Hey guys, welcome back. In the last lecture, we displayed a static image in prawn PDF, and now in this lecture, we will see how we can display an active storage image attachment into PDF. The process is very similar like displaying a static image. So let's comment the changes we made in the last lecture. So first switch to the posts controller, and here you can see that at line number 76, what I did that I displayed the static image into the PDF. Okay, now first we need to install the active storage in our Rails application to upload active storage attachment. Okay, so go to the terminal and shut down your Rails server, or you can do this in next terminal tab as well. And now you need to install Rails active storage, Rails active storage install. Okay, and this command will copy the active storage related migration into db migrate directory, and now you need to run the migration. So Rails db migrate, Rails db migrate. Okay, and this will create the necessary tables for you in your schema file. Okay, so the active storage has been installed into our app, and now let's define an attachment for active record in our post model. Okay, so first is to the project directory and open the post model. So post model, sorry, post.rb. Okay, and in post.rb, what you need to define that what the name you want to provide your active storage attachment. Okay, so you can use has one attached and then your attachment name. Okay, and if you want to upload multiple images, you can simply use has many attached. Okay, but since we just need to upload the cover image for an article or blog, so we are just using the has one attached method here. So has one attached, and then your attachment name. Okay, so I'm providing here cover image, and you can provide any of your choice here. Okay, so this is not necessary to provide cover image. You can simply provide image or anything else, but just for the recommended practice, I am using the cover image name here. Okay, and now what we need to do that we need to allow users to upload a file or upload a cover image from the post form. Okay, so now you need to open the form.html for the post and just copy this div, and we will use the cover image here. So we can simply replace the description by cover image. Okay, and now replace this text area by some file field. So form dot file field. Okay, and now you need to remove the rows attribute from this field as well. Okay, because the file field does not have any rows attributes. Okay, and now we need to permit the cover image into the posts controller when user submit the form. Okay, so come to the post controller, and here you can see that there is a method post params. So we need to permit the cover image here. So cover image. Okay, and now as the last thing, what we need to do, we just need to go to the browser and we need to update an existing post, or you can try this by creating a new post as well. Why? Because now we have a file field to upload the cover image for the post. Okay, so go to the browser, and in this browser first let's open in the new tab. So localhost 3000 slash posts 1 dot edit slash edit. Okay, okay, since I stopped my server, so I need to start the Rails server first. So here you can see that Rails server started now, and now refresh the page. And okay, file field. So first correct the type in the form. Here you can simply add file field. Okay, save the file now and refresh the browser. Okay, I hope you will not make this type of mistake, so you will not get this error. Okay, and now you can simply use cover image here. So you can select here. Okay, and now you can let's say block dummy jpg. Okay, and you can open this image. Okay, and when you click on the update post button, this will save the image into the database. And here you can see on the terminal, you can see that this active storage attachment is stored into the database. Now you can simply show it on the posts detail page as well. So come to the post partial, and here we need to display the image first. So what we can do here, first let's make a check whether the attachment present or not for the image. Okay, so we can use that, and once the image has been present, then we can display the image below the sample blog post. Okay, so come to the file, and here we need to make a change, that is if at the rate post dot cover image dot attached. and this will check the whether the cover image present for the post or not. If it is present, then it will display the cover image, then else we will do nothing. Okay, so we can just add an end block here. So now inside the if the condition true, then you need to display your cover image. Okay, so we can add like image tag, and then at the rate post dot cover image. Okay, and here you can add like class, and then form, sorry, image fluid. Okay, save the file, and now refresh the blog's detail page. Okay, so you can see that this blog images appear on the browser. Now when you click on preview and download, okay, you will see that there is no image and the spacing here. Why? Because we used this line into our post controller. Here you can see that we just commented out the static image, but we are still using the moved on 250. That's why this space is there, but this is not concern. Why? Because we need to display our active storage attachment into this space. Okay, so how we can do that? So you can simply comment out the last line, and here you can see that we provided this Rails root app assets image blogging ideas.jpg. That was my static image. Okay, so now we need to change this static image path to the active storage attachment name. Okay, and when we provide the attachment name, then it should show the attached file into the PDF. Okay, so now let's for example, you can just keep it, just copy it and comment it out. Okay, because we might need it at somewhere else to display the static image. Okay, so just comment it out, and now remove this image path, and here we need to display our at the rate post dot cover image. Okay, so this should work, but it will not. We will get an error. So let me show you that what error we will get. So here you can see post PDF dot image, and post dot cover image is the path for that uploaded active storage attachment. And here is the same thing like at attributes and the width. And now if you go to the browser and refresh your PDF preview, you will see that we are getting this error. No implicit conversion of active storage attached one into string. Okay, so we need to fix this error, and we can simply fix this error by using string.io, string.io, sorry, string.io.open, open. Okay, and then you just need to call the download method here. And now save the file, and when you go to the browser and refresh your PDF preview, you will see the active storage attachment into your PDF file. Okay, so this is how you can upload, sorry, this is how you can display an active storage attachment into the prawn PDF. Okay, and that's all from this lecture. Now in the next lecture we will see how we can add footers in the prawn PDF. Meanwhile, try this lecture at your end, and we will meet into the next lecture. Till then, tata, goodbye, take care, and stay safe. And if you have any concern regarding understanding of this lecture, let me know through the comment section, and I will be happy to help. So, tata, goodbye, take care.